Hello everyone, welcome. I hope everyone having a great day today. Guys, I just want to do a little update, that's all, and to get your input. I am procrastinating, guys, I am, but most of all, I've been under the weather. I had sinus infection so bad, woo. I ran to the doctor. Well, I drove to the doctor. But after, I was telling people how I was feeling, they was talking about, oh, you might have the, I'm not going to say it, but, the C. I was like, yeah, I know this is sinus infection. My head was hurting so bad. I went to the doctor so fast. As they say, make your head spin. And when I got in there, I asked for all kind of blood work that's pertaining symptom, flu symptoms. When I say I had blood work done, don't even pertain. I wanted every blood work, and so I did. But that's why I've been kind of slow on getting my I'm gonna say, let me see, tiny home together. This gonna be more like a let's see, tiny home studio apartment. Because, guys, I came up with this idea. I was just thinking, I was like, if this is going to be my home, I want it to really be my home and look like a really inside of a home. Sticks and bricks. So when I looked at other YouTube channels, I was like, in vans, the big vans, I said, you could do that in small SUVs or smaller vans, car, if you want to. So, guys, what I decided to do, and I want your guys' help, I decided to just put up walls so I can paint, nail a picture, put up you guys' name when you for supporting me and for donating to my channel. I want to have that as a wall, like a black and white wall. It's gonna be pretty with everybody's name on it. I like that idea. And guys, another thing, if you want to support this project and be with me in this project, I know physically you probably can't, but some of you can if you want to. But if you want to help and be in this project, on where it say hit share, it said thanks, donate there, and all the proceeds will go to this project of building this studio apartment. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm gonna put up walls, and I got this piece of wood just to, see how it will look and see how I'm gonna do it. For instance, I probably put, like here, like a wall, and just put a wall all the way around. Yes. But the thing about it, I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to place everything, like the bed, the kitchen. Now that I'm putting up a wall, and now I got to figure out where I'm going to put everything. So, guys, I want you guys' help, and this is going to look like inside of a home, studio apartment. That's what I want it to look like. So, as you can see, the seats are going. And I have a lot of room. Let me step out right quick so you can see how much. The seats are gone. It left a big hole, so I had to put a piece of plywood here. But I might make this just one room within itself. And then I still kept the third row seat. They can let down. And you see all this room? I got a lot of stuff back there. Most of everything that I have is back here. But now, oh guys, look at this little light I found at the Dollar Tree. I like it. Look at that. That's nice, huh? But yes, that's what I'm thinking about doing right now. Oh, I found this at the Dollar Tree. Just for $1. Can't beat that. I don't have to cut it off like normally I see people cutting it off, so I don't. Guys, I really like that lining, shelf lining. At night, it'd be so cozy up in here looking at that through there. This chest, ice chest, serves a lot of purpose. This is where I put my stove on if I want to cook. And this is where I put this pillow on. I put this pillow on there and put it right there so I can lay cross. My feet will go that way on the bed because I can't stretch out. Let me show you how much room I have on the bed. Let's show you why. Let's see. Put the camera down so you can see. I'd be like this. I'm not long enough, but when I put the cooler, I go like this, and my foot be on the cooler right there for the time being, and it's very comfortable to me. Oh, and another thing, I went to Home Depot, and they had this already cut. So this is gonna go on my floor. And see how thick, a lot on there? It was like $10. So I know I'm gonna have to roll it like straight across here and probably have two pieces and have a seam in it, but I'll fix that. For $10, you can't beat that. And guys, at Home Depot too, they have like in the back where the wood, they have a place where they sell wood for 75% off or free wood. So this is where I got that wood from. But I'm so surprised, and I like all this room back here, and it's so wide. Shut the door. And it's so wide. I like that, how much wideness I have in here. I really, really do like this. This SUV. Oh, and talking about the doctor. They talking about lose weight. I said, I'm already skinny mini. Look how much medicine I end up having. Sinus infection. I did, when go back to the doctor, I did all my blood work. Come out, I had sinus infection. I got to go see an ENT. Probably, they said probably had to have an operation because my nausea is so swollen. She asked me how could I breathe. I said I breathe out my mouth. Got the spray. Got the pills. High blood pressure. Got 2 different types of high blood pressure medicine. Oh, my vitamin D was down low, 13. She said it's supposed to be 30. She's trying to get up 30, so I got vitamin D medicine. I got antibiotics for my nose. And what else? Oh, I got high cholesterol now. Probably eating out. This vitamin D, those big old pills for my vitamin D. And then she gave me some for migraines, for my headache. She gave me something. This is the most medicine I have had in my life. Even when I had an operation, I didn't have that much medicine. And then the pharmacy had a nerve to call me and talking about I got one more prescription. That's probably for my high cholesterol. Because she didn't know that, but I took every test it was to take. But guys, yes. Don't forget to give me some inputs. Yes, I'm gonna make this studio apartment. That y'all. Yes, I'm gonna make this a studio apartment. I'm gonna put some walls up all the way around, and I'll probably trim it in white. And I want that winter yellow. It really a winter green, but it looked more like a little tint, like a little yellow color, but it's so pretty. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. And the kitchen gonna be like, you know, like a studio, like a kitchen. My bed, I probably have it where I can pull out this way and push it back in when I'm not using the app. Still have that open space. But guys, don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, that top bell, ding ding, so you can get notifications of my video. Guess what, guys? Sharing is caring. I can't even hardly talk. She said my throat was, that's why it sounded like my throat was so raw, because the fluid is draining on my esophagus, whatever she said, you know. But right now my head is killing me. It's hurting so bad. But I don't take this medicine till dark because it do make me sleepy. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoy your day. And thank you for all your love and support. Don't forget to share this video, guys. And don't forget to hit that like button, because that like button helps all you tubers out. That's what they say. So with that being said, I love you guys. Take care. Bye, 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 bye. Love you guys.